Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by arranging your workspace. A cloth or shallow tray catches tiny screws, and good light reveals threads. Pick a precision screwdriver that fits the screw head snugly. If you have a magnetized tool, give the tip a quick twist so it holds the screw. Put the frame on the cloth and steady the hinge with your fingers so it won't pivot. Then apply firm, downward pressure and turn slowly counterclockwise. This prevents stripping and begins to back the screw out. Once the screw starts to turn, continue slowly until resistance eases and the head lifts. Make sure you keep pressure to avoid slippage. If it spins without moving, stop and apply a tiny drop of penetrating oil at the hinge. Wait 5 to 10 minutes, then try again. This breaks corrosion without warping plastic. When the screw clears the hole, use fine tweezers or the magnetic screwdriver to extract it so it doesn't fall into the tray or carpet. You finish by inspecting both the screw and the hinge thread. If the head is rounded or the shaft bent, use a matching replacement to avoid future failure. Make sure to store removed screws in a labeled container so you know which side they belong to. If the head is stripped, press a small piece of rubber over it and turn, or use a micro screw extractor designed for tiny screws. These options recover a stuck fastener without damaging the frame.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.